Okay, so you're probably watching this video because you've been using ChatGPT for the last 7 months and getting the same boring responses every single time. You've thought there has to be more to this AI hype than just ChatGPT, and yeah, you're right. I've automated almost 50% of my life online using AI tools other than ChatGPT, so I'm going to show you 15 websites that are going to change your life as well. Let's start with my.m.ai. This tool makes ChatGPT visually appealing by turning outputs into 2D visuals. Let me show you. Write a regular prompt like you normally do. For example, what are some common foods in the US? It'll generate the answer, but here's where it gets more exciting. If I just highlight this chat, I can generate or brainstorm anything, and it'll be instantly integrated into this mind map environment. Not only that, if you want to take it to the next level, you can also generate entire pitch decks by just highlighting your field and pressing Create a Pitch Deck. My absolute favorite, though, is that you can press the little play button in the top right corner and then present all of your decks or fields. The camera follows every piece of content, which is crazy. Next up, Fedio. This is an AI video generator that will skyrocket your business. You can expect up to 3 times lower bounce rates on your website, up to an 86% increase in user feedback, and a lot of reduced costs and time. The whole point is that you create these AI avatar videos. Let me show you how it's done. It takes less than 30 seconds. Click Create Video, choose your goal with the video, then you can change things like the voice of the person talking, the actual person on the screen, or the script. I'll just paste in my script, and here's the result. Hi, I'm Emma. How can I help you today? Let's try another example with a female template for a feedback survey. After some small adjustments, here's what I made. It really isn't harder than that. Number 3, ShortX. I've been waiting to show you this AI tool. It's the ultimate cheat code to creating viral TikToks. You won't get those bad, disappointing shorts like with other AI tools. This is a lot better than what you usually get from AI. Here's how it goes down. Once you create the video, you'll see different AI agents working together to generate the different aspects of the video. Pretty cool, huh? However, this AI tool might not have been released by the time I release this video, so if you want to know when it's available to the public. Now number 4, Dube. This tool is an all-in-one platform with a lot of different tools and use cases, but I found their text-to-speech features really interesting, and they work great. Let's dive right into how you can use them. Sign up as usual, no credit card information required. Press on their text-to-speech feature, and on the first page, you'll be able to choose between different ultra or premium voices. Pick your voice, then write your script in the text field. What caught my attention is the menu here. Placing these small effects in the script lets you change the rhythm, add pauses, and even make the voiceover pause. As an example, with the Say As feature, I made some tweaks to this voiceover I generated. Let's hear it. Welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Oliver. Let's get right into it. 5, Pabs. This tool has been around for a while, but they've recently added some really interesting features. You can now utilize something called Idea to Video. It's this crazy thing where you write a single prompt and it creates an entire video. Let me show you. Join their Discord, select one of the Generate servers, then write Create and fill in your prompt. Here's the result when I wrote cat underwater. Crazy, right? Next, Crea AI. I'm actually mind blown by this one. If you thought AI image generators were a cool invention, then you'll probably die of shock seeing this. Crea AI took it to the next level by introducing real-time image generation. I'm going to stop talking and just show you. This is the website, and the canvas to the left is an interactive whiteboard where you can draw and use shapes. To the right, it generates an image according to what you do on the left. I've never seen anything like this before. Imagine how useful this might be in the future for making animated movies and stuff like that. 7, SoundDraw. This tool is a lot of fun and might be a game changer for those in need of beats or music overall. It's really simple. Let me show you what you can use it for. Head over to their website, click Create Music, choose your genres, moods, length, customize your song to your requirements. While you're choosing these settings, SoundDraw automatically creates 100% unique beats that sound really good. Yes, I know what you're thinking. They're completely free to use. No copyright issues. 8, Meet Grimoire, a custom GPT designed for coding. Just prompt it with something like, create a landing page with a subscribe button for my AI newsletter, and it'll do the rest. After a quick file download and preview via Netlify, you'll have a functional page. You can even ask it to generate images for the page. If you're into AI, subscribe to my 9 Rewind. This AI tool is one of my favorite concepts and has been around for quite some time. The concept is simple but fascinating. Rewind will gather, compress, and record all your data so you can ask their AI about anything you've done on your computer. They've made it clear that the data is encrypted, so only you have access to your stuff, no one else. Number 10, Opus Clip. If you haven't heard about Opus Clip when it blew up around 3 to 4 months ago, you've probably been missing out, especially if you're a creator. Head over to their website, paste a reference video link like a YouTube video link, and Opus Clip will repurpose it into small shorts or TikToks with colored captions. It's what you'd hire an editor for, but it's free and instant AI results. Next, the free custom GPT creator website, FastBots. If you've heard about ChatGPT releasing their custom GPTs that users can make, you probably also heard it was only released to paying GPT Plus users, which sucks. I found FastBots, and I have to admit, it's not as advanced, but it's useful if you want to create a simple customized chatbot for your website. Head over to their website, upload your data, and link your website to train the chatbot. Customize how it looks, and it's ready to be embedded on any website. 12. Merlin. This tool gives you free access to GPT-4, along with models like Claude and LLAMA, all in one interface. It's perfect if you don't want to pay for ChatGPT Plus. 13. Wonder Dynamics. This AI lets you swap people in videos with CGI characters. Just pick a template, drag your character into the box and render. The results are impressive. Now 11 Labs. One of the best AI voiceover generators, so realistic you can't tell it's AI. Try it for free. Visit the site, check out voice samples, paste your script in Voice Lab, and listen to the results. 15. Runway ML. A Pika competitor with cool features like the motion brush. Upload a picture or write a prompt, then highlight areas to animate. It's seriously next level. Thanks for watching. Like, comment your favorite tool, and subscribe for more AI content. Don't forget to turn on notifications.